Hello coders, this is Sanjay and in this video we will discuss Leetcode problem 283, move zeros. Okay, let's see the description. Given an integer array nums, move all 0 to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of non-zero elements. Note that you must do in place without making a copy of the array. Okay, so let's see the example. Nums equal to 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So what we are doing here, we are just putting all the 0 to the end of the array and all the non-zero elements to the left side. Let's see the example 2. So in example 2, we just have one element which is 0. So we will not perform anything. Now let's see how we can do that. So first we'll iterate this array. We would check if this is 0, then we'll not do anything. Then we would check for 1. Since this is non-zero, we would put this element to the first index. Then we would check for the next number which is 0, so we will not do anything. Then we will check for the second number. Then we will check for the next number which is 3 and non-zero. So we would put 3 just after 1. Then we would check for the next number which is 12 which is non-zero. So we will put 12 in the next index which is this. And then we would simply put all the elements as 0. Now let's see how we can do it via code. So we would simply iterate the numbers. Integer I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. And we have to maintain one index variable which will be used for putting the non-zero numbers in their actual index. So let's call it index equal to 0. Now we will check for the non-zero numbers. So if nums I not equal to 0, then we would put this number in our actual index. So it will be nums I. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if it's passing the sample test case.
Ouch!
We forgot to add one more condition, which is replacing all numbers with 0 after our index. So for that, what we can do is I equal to index I less than nums dot length and I plus plus, and we would put all the numbers as 0.
Ouch!
Okay, we have to declare I as integer. Great, so this is passing the sample test case. Let's check if this is passing all the test cases. Yeah, so this is passing all the test cases. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity for the solution. So we are not using any extra space, so the space complexity will be order of n, which is constant. And then we are iterating all the numbers from the nums array. Let's say if there are n numbers in the nums array, then the time complexity will be order of n for this loop. And for this loop, we are just iterating the numbers from the index, which is some position in the array, to the end of the array. So this is also less than order of n. So the total complexity for this and this statement would be order of n. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching this.